What's wrong, Bolt? I swear I heard the strangest sound. What was it, hun? Don't call me that. I don't know, I just swore I heard this sound. A weird sound, like a scream. It's probably just the banshee that lives in our backyard. You have a banshee in our backyard? Yeah, his name is Bachelor. I don't know. It didn't sound like that. It sounded like a peacock. Well, we are in Bird City. We don't live in a city. Bird neighborhood. I don't know the name of our location, but it was something. It was something, and it was close. What kind of close? I don't know. It could have, like, maybe down the hall or something. Oh, looks like somebody's paranoid. I'm not paranoid, Carl. I heard something. Prove it. Why do I need proof? Because no one would be screaming in our household. Night Hawk visits sometimes. He doesn't scream. The only one that would be screaming is you, and you were asleep, right? Yeah, I was asleep. It's a little weird, but I guess I could just go back to bed. Good night, Carl. Good night. It's back! What's back? The scream! I heard it again. It was even closer. I didn't hear anything. How did you not hear that, Carl? I can't get any sleep because of it. I don't know. Okay, there's something in here. I know there's something really close. Maybe it's my deer skeleton down there. Why do you have a deer skeleton? Deer skeleton. Why do you have a deer skeleton? I'm a collector. Okay. I'm gonna go to bed, but this time I'm gonna pretend I'm in bed and see if it does it or not. Okay, good luck with that. Okay, I'm gonna pretend I'm asleep and maybe it'll come back. And you need to listen, Carl. Carl, there's a sound. I don't hear anything. Shh. I think it left. I heard it again. Let's keep sitting under the covers and see if we can spot this thing. Carl, your hair is gonna give us away. Oh, it won't. Put it down, please. Fine. Okay, did you hear that? No, I heard nothing. Carl, how did you not hear that scream? I didn't hear it. How, Carl? Ugh. Okay, who did that? Me. You're... Never mind. Carl? What? I swear I just saw a pale-looking face in the corner of my eye. That's terrifying. It's probably just one of those corner-of-the-eye demons. I guess that's what they're called. Hey, I've seen those. One of them gave me a cupcake once. Shut up, Carl. Or just saw a pale face floating around. But you're overreacting. No, I'm not. There was. I'm actually sleep deprived. I can't get any sleep due to that awful sound. That sound. I can't get any sleep. What do you think me to do about it? I don't know, Carl. I saw it! Ow. I swear I was right there. What? The creature. What kind of creature? I don't know what it is. I don't know what kind of creature it was, but I saw a creature. Something just moved. What is it? I think piano. Huh? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna search for this thing. Okay, don't count me in. Okay, I won't. Jeez. What does this thing look like? I don't know, it's creepy, whatever it is. Is it under... Is that it? Give me a minute. I didn't get to see it very well. There it is! Yeah! Where'd it go? There it is. Ha! You've been caught gray-handed! Ah! Hey, what the heck are you? What the heck are you? What the heck? No, like, see, what? What is this thing? Hey, you're being kind of rude, you know. What are you? Did you catch a ghost? I don't think it's a monster of any kind. Yeah, I'm no monster. Well, that's relative. What are you doing here? I was just crashing at your place for the night. Why? No, I'm not doing anything wrong. I was just crashing at your place for the night. Why? I just wanted to have some food, 'cause I'm sure I'm really hungry. I have a leftover burrito. But I don't want that. I hate burritos. Burritos are like the worst food. Like, just the worst. Not to me, they aren't. Anyway. Hey. My name's Fuzzy. Fuzzy? Yeah. My name is Fuzzy. That's kind of, well, it's a fitting name. You can also call me I forgot. How'd you forget your name? John Ardan. John Ardan? Yeah, Fuzzy John Ardan. Or Janardan Fuzzy. Whichever way you like to prefer. Okay. Yeah, John Ardan. Okay, what are you doing? That's the source of the sound! Yeah, I make sounds when I'm nervous. Sometimes just out of spite. How dare you trash talk burritos? Get away! I hate burritos! Well, you're quite the interesting fella. Thank you. So, what foods can I have from your lovely pantry? You can have cheese crackers. We have a lot of cheese crackers. I don't really, can I have a cheese stick? Sure, help yourself out. What's your name again? John Ardan. John Ardan Fuzzy. Okay. Why do you make that sound? Many reasons. I just told you a few of them. So, yeah. Howdy. That guy kicked me. Yeah, you deserve it, Carl. What do you mean I deserve it? I love your cheese sticks, bro. Thanks. Hey, have you seen my pal Greasy Fingers around? My friend Nighthawk was mentioning some guy named Greasy Fingers. Oh, where is he? I don't know, probably over at his place. Okay, I'll go there next. Okay, see you. See ya.